Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Bose Blades Smoke Mini here with me for a quick maintenance video, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's just get this done, because this is super simple construction. You have one screw basically that you need to remove, which is this guy, and just the pivot, and this I'm assuming it's a T8 which is in place, and we're gonna start from here. Actually no, that's the T8 for the pivot only, so we're gonna need a T6, which I have right over here, right? No, that's T7. This is a T6. And we can do this guy right over here. Just do it gently when you have T6 and T5s, because these guys are tiny and you don't want to ruin anything. So this can come out, and then you swap it to the T8, and then you're gonna undo the pivot like that, which is pretty good. Then you can just pull the blade out a little bit, wiggle it a little bit, and boom, knife comes apart. You can just take one of these alcohol swabs or any like alcohol, just to clean up any gunk, any grease, just like that. Clean the inside. Let's clean this tiny bearing. Let's clean also the other bearing, like so, just like this. And clean this track. Interesting how they did not use any hardened steel washer, but like an insert, which is interesting. We're gonna use this guy, which is a 10 weight nano oil, like 3 drops. I think it's fine. And then blade goes in, and then you can do another one, another 2, and another 3 drops. I like to do a tiny bit of heavier weight nano oil, like something like just like that is enough on the detent ball, which in this case is just ceramic. Nicely keyed in pivot. This guy goes in like that, and we can do, in this case, I'm gonna do just a little bit of Loctite on the thread, just like so, just a gentle touch, just a little bit. It's gonna be enough to prevent any vibration to be unscrewing your pivot screw. Just change the bit, put back like a T6, and this is in. Just flip the knife over. Don't over tighten, and let's fine tune the pivot now. So let's just do all the way down and just untighten a little bit. Okay, check for blade centering. Looks a tiny bit off center, just a little, like so. Now it's absolutely perfect. There's no blade play. Wow, this blade is tiny. Look at this. Let's just do a little bit of this. All right, let's check out the action. Wow, this guy is like a toothpick. Nice and light, and they drop. There's no drop shot action. I mean, falls, but you see, you have to wiggle it actually quite a lot. Let me see if I can maybe undo that a little bit. With no blade play. No, it's not gonna free fall, you know, it's not gonna fall shut because of the weight of this blade, like so light. And also there's I would say no, the detent is light, so I think it's just the weight, because it's enough pressure from the lock bar that to prevent the blade from just falling shut. So you just gonna have to wiggle a little bit. But guys, I'm telling you, this is a super light one for sure, and it's a fun one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.